Hello everyone and welcome back to Banana Life. Today, we're diving into a topic that is simple yet profoundly impactful: the benefits of walking daily. Walking is one of the most accessible forms of exercise, requiring no special equipment, expensive gym memberships, or complex techniques. It's something most of us can do naturally, and incorporating it into our daily routine can lead to significant improvements in our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. In this video, we'll explore the myriad benefits of daily walking, backed by scientific research and practical insights. So, get comfortable and let's embark on this enlightening journey together. Walking is often underestimated as a form of exercise, but its simplicity does not diminish its effectiveness. In fact, walking can be a powerful tool for improving overall health. One of the primary benefits of walking daily is its positive impact on cardiovascular health. Regular walking strengthens the heart, reduces the risk of heart disease, lowers blood pressure, and improves circulation. When you walk, your heart rate increases, which in turn pumps more blood through your system, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your cells while removing waste products. This increased blood flow helps to keep your cardiovascular system in top condition. Moreover, walking is an excellent way to maintain a healthy weight. It burns calories, which can help to create a caloric deficit, essential for weight loss. Depending on your speed and intensity, walking can burn anywhere from 100 to 300 calories per hour. Even moderate intensity walking, such as a brisk walk, can contribute significantly to your daily calorie expenditure. Additionally, walking helps to build and maintain lean muscle mass, which can boost your metabolism and make it easier to manage your weight in the long term. Another critical aspect of walking is its role in managing and preventing chronic diseases. Regular walking has been shown to reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes by improving insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. This means that your body becomes more efficient at using insulin to lower blood sugar levels, which is crucial for preventing and managing diabetes. Walking also helps to reduce inflammation and improve immune function, both of which are important for overall health and longevity. Walking is also a powerful tool for mental health. It has been shown to reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety, improve mood, and enhance overall mental well-being. When you walk, your body releases endorphins, which are natural mood elevators. These endorphins can help to reduce stress, anxiety, and feelings of depression. Additionally, walking outdoors, particularly in nature, has been shown to have additional mental health benefits. The combination of physical activity, fresh air, and natural surroundings can be incredibly soothing and restorative for the mind. In addition to its mental health benefits, walking can also enhance cognitive function. Regular walking has been linked to improved memory, attention, and processing speed. It can also help to protect against age-related cognitive decline and reduce the risk of developing dementia. The increased blood flow and oxygen delivery to the brain during walking can help to support brain health and function. Furthermore, walking can stimulate the growth of new brain cells and the formation of new neural connections, which are essential for learning and memory. Walking is also beneficial for bone and joint health. It is a weight-bearing exercise, which means it helps to strengthen bones and improve bone density. This is particularly important for preventing osteoporosis and reducing the risk of fractures as we age. Walking also helps to lubricate the joints, reducing stiffness and pain associated with conditions like arthritis. By promoting healthy bones and joints, walking can help to maintain mobility and independence as we get older. Another benefit of walking is its positive impact on digestion and gut health. Walking can help to stimulate digestion and improve the efficiency of the digestive system. It can also help to alleviate symptoms of bloating and constipation. The gentle movement of walking helps to massage the internal organs and promote the movement of food through the digestive tract. Additionally, walking can help to reduce the risk of gastrointestinal disorders and improve overall gut health. Walking can also enhance sleep quality. Regular physical activity, including walking, has been shown to improve sleep patterns and reduce the incidence of sleep disorders. Walking can help to regulate the sleep-wake cycle, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. The relaxation and stress relief benefits of walking can also contribute to better sleep quality. By incorporating daily walks into your routine, you can improve your overall sleep hygiene and enjoy more restful and restorative sleep. Social interaction is another important aspect of walking. Walking can be a great way to connect with others and build social relationships. Whether you walk with a friend, join a walking group, or simply engage with others you meet along the way, walking can provide opportunities for social interaction and community building. Social connections are essential for mental health and well-being, and walking can be a fun and enjoyable way to foster these connections. Walking can also be a form of mindfulness and meditation. Taking a walk can provide a break from the hustle and bustle of daily life and offer a chance to clear your mind and focus on the present moment. Mindful walking, where you pay attention to your breath, the sensation of your feet on the ground, and the sights and sounds around you, can be a powerful way to reduce stress and increase mindfulness. This practice can help to calm the mind, reduce anxiety, and improve overall mental clarity and focus. In addition to the physical and mental health benefits, walking can also have a positive impact on creativity and productivity. Taking a walk can help to stimulate creative thinking and problem solving. The change of scenery and the rhythmic movement of walking can help to break through mental blocks and generate new ideas. Many people find that they are more productive and focused after taking a walk, making it a great tool for enhancing work performance and achieving goals. Walking can also be a sustainable and environmentally friendly mode of transportation. By choosing to walk instead of driving for short trips, you can reduce your carbon footprint and contribute to a healthier planet. Walking is a zero-emission activity that requires no fuel or energy other than your own. It can also help to reduce traffic congestion and air pollution, creating a cleaner and healthier environment for everyone. Another benefit of walking is that it can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. Unlike other forms of exercise that may require special equipment, gym memberships, or specific time commitments, walking can be done almost anywhere and at any time. You can walk to work, take a walk during your lunch break, or go for an evening stroll. Even small amounts of walking throughout the day can add up to significant health benefits. Walking can also be adapted to fit your fitness level and goals. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced athlete, walking can be tailored to meet your needs. You can start with short, gentle walks and gradually increase the duration and intensity as your fitness improves. You can also incorporate different types of walking, such as brisk walking, interval walking, or hill walking, to challenge yourself and keep things interesting. Furthermore, walking can be a family-friendly activity that promotes health and well-being for all ages. It can be a great way to spend quality time together and encourage healthy habits in children. Walking with family members can also provide opportunities for bonding and communication, strengthening relationships and creating lasting memories. In conclusion, the benefits of walking daily are vast and varied. From improving cardiovascular health and maintaining a healthy weight to enhancing mental well-being and promoting social connections, walking offers a multitude of advantages for overall health and quality of life. By incorporating regular walks into your routine, you can enjoy these benefits and support your journey to a healthier, happier you. Thank you for joining me on Banana Life today. I hope you found this discussion on the benefits of walking daily informative and inspiring. Stay healthy, keep walking, and see you in the next video.